Hello everybody, my name is Darah and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, let me give you a quick little overview of what this channel is about. This channel is all about getting back to creativity and helping each other find our voices and our styles as creative and artists. Last week I did a video on line making, so if you want to check that out, I will link that above. So today, well, for the rest of the month, I'm doing a little mini series called DIYs with Darah. And since Christmas is basically tomorrow, which is technically in 2 hours, I am here to give you fun projects and ideas to really spruce up your Christmas and holiday season. So go ahead and like, subscribe, and comment below, and we're gonna go ahead and get into this video. Also, I just got this wig and I love the color. Whew, I love the body. I love the style. Clearly, as you can see, I haven't done anything to the top. That's why this headband is on. But in the next video, it's gonna be done. It's gonna be done because I love it. All right, let's get into this video.
Hello, my little gumdrops. The DIY of the day is gift tags. So this project is very simple and very straightforward. The materials that you need are markers, any type of like paper, material that you would like to use. I decided to use watercolor paper to do my gift tags, only because the paper is very thick and it's very sturdy. But you can use like stock paper or any type of thick paper. Since these are gift tags, I didn't want them to be flimsy. So to help you start off with your gift tags, I would suggest coming up with like a type of theme that you want to do. My theme was I kind of wanted them to look like parcels, ripped open gifts. So I decided to use this kind of paper brown bag material and rip it up and put it on my gift tags to kind of make it look like they just like gifts have just been open. I also wanted to do the theme of kind of classy, bougie, Christmas. So I decided to use gold and black as my color palette and some reds and greens. But you are more than welcome to use any color, any theme that you would like to use to create your gift tags. So some ideas to kind of help you figure out what you actually want to put on your gift tags. Obviously, you can do Christmas or holiday themed ideas, or if you just want to keep it simple, you can do typography. You can put like cute little sayings on there. You can add different types of materials if you want it to be textured or kind of have like a 3D element. What's great about doing these DIYs is that it's a great exercise to work with your hands and obviously to keep creating different ideas. So this one that I'm working on now, I just thought it would be absolutely brilliant to put wrapping paper behind the gift tag to obviously give it texture. It's just like a different way of conveying the idea of using an ornament. So this definitely exercises how to think creatively and how to solve problems creatively as well. You know, I'm always out here trying to figure out who I am as an artist. So, you know, being able to do these different types of projects, even though they're fun, they are still working out all your creative skills and your creative mindset. So I always want to encourage everyone to keep pushing forward as an artist and a creative. So overall, this is the main idea for gift tags. It's not anything too difficult unless you make it difficult. Please don't do that to yourself. This is supposed to be, fun, a great relaxer, something that is creative. We are coming towards the end of this video, so you already know I'm gonna pop out and meet you at the end. I'm back. So as you can see here, the tags are really starting to take shape. This is where you can cut them into any shape to get the desired look that you are looking for. I decided just to have rounded edges and decided just to cut one with angled edges. I just kind of wanted them to be really big so everyone can see these designs right in your face. That's what we're looking for. So the next part is to go ahead and hole punch everything and add your string. Just loop it through, tie it up, or you can just loop it through and have it open so you can tie it around something. But I wanted mine to be knotted up. I just kind of like the overall look and the feel that it gave. So these are the gift tags, and thank you so much for joining me in my DIYs with Darah series. I had a great time. So go ahead and like, subscribe, and comment below. You can also follow me on Instagram and the TikTok at Life of Gun, and I'll see everybody in the next video. Bye.